Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you all are doing wonderfully well. In this video, we are making Yor Gari, also known as Gobe, a very popular street food in Ghana. So guys, let's get started. Into a pot, I will add my soaked beans and also go ahead to add some onions. I will then add some water and then transfer this on the fire. So this is going to be on the fire for some minutes, and after 30 minutes checking on the beans is doing so well, I'll just give this a quick stir and then go ahead to add some salt. I will also add some water and then stir this gently. I'll cover this and let it be on the fire until the water around the beans get taken up. So after some minutes, guys, the beans is well cooked at this point. I will then go ahead and take this off from the fire. And thanks goes to my new and returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming through to watch my videos. I appreciate it. Moving forward, I will then go ahead to fry my ripe plantain, and the oil is already heated. So I'm dropping the plantain gently into the oil, and after 10 minutes I will then flip for the other side to also fry very well. So that's going to be on the fire. Once it's well fried and golden, I will take it off from the oil. We are on Facebook, and also you can watch my detailed short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. The name is Getty Cruise. So after some time on the fire, the plantain is well fried. Just look at this beautiful golden color, and I will take it all from the oil and let it rest on the paper towel to get the excess oil out. And thank you so much if you have watched this video up to this point. Please don't forget to give this video a like and also share this video to reach wider audience. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel. So at this point, I went ahead to heat up my jumi, that's my palm oil, and I also added some onions. So I'll fry this on a low medium heat, and we are going to serve our beans with this palm oil. So at this point, we'll just go ahead and serve our beans. After serving our beans, I went ahead to add my fried jomi to it, and I also added some gari. Just a little gari is enough, but if you are the type who'd like more gari in your beans, you are feel free to do that. So I also added my fried plantain to it, guys. Okay, lovelies, our beans and Gari, aka Gobe, is ready to be enjoyed. Just look at this lovely outcome. Looking super delicious and inviting as well. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next one.